Hello everyone, welcome to CPILS. Today we're going to focus on IELTS speaking, especially part 1. And we're going to talk about the topic name.
What is the meaning of your name?
I'm not really sure what's the real meaning of my name, but my mother told me why she gave me this name. Okay, my name is Mark Neil. Basically, Mark, the main reason why she chose the name Mark is that all of my siblings, my older sisters, all their name starts with M, and Mark starts with M. So I think that's the main reason why she gave me the name Mark. And Neil, she was really obsessed with how Neil Armstrong landed onto the moon. So that's the reason she gave me the name Neil. So I'm not sure what's the meaning of my name. I'm sure where it came from.
Is your name important to you?
Absolutely. It's really important for me because I've been using it since I was young. And when I think about it, Mark Neil serves my personality. Or when I hear the word Mark Neil or the name Mark Neil, it gives me the idea of who I am. It gives me my identity. And with that being said, my name serves who I am and my personality.
Why do so many people change their names?
I'm not really sure what's their main reason. Especially in the Philippines, it's very difficult to change name. But I would say that some people change their name because they feel like it's not suitable for them. They're not confident with that name because if you try to think of it, it's our parents who gave our name and we don't have a choice. So we cannot pick what name we think we like. So I think that's the main reason they are not comfortable of what name they have.